Top 5 moon facts that are stranger than fiction. Number 1, moonlight is colder than nightshade. Now, if moonlight is the reflection of the sun's rays hitting the moon and then hitting us, then moonlight's temperature should be warmer, like standing in the sun versus standing in the shade. Some people try to explain this away by heat radiation and how it dissipates, how the human body reacts to heat radiation, but countless people have tried this theory out online with a thermometer. Nightshade is actually warmer than moonlight. Explain that. Number 2, the moon rings like a bell. Yes, in Apollo 12, they did an experiment. They crashed a lunar module into the moon to see what happens, and guess what? It rang like a bell. It actually rang for like an hour. Nobody could truly explain why it rings unless maybe it's hot. It was actually documented and recorded that it rang like a bell for an hour. Number 3, moon dust is extremely dangerously sharp. Yes, this has been documented many times by scientists and astronomers and astronauts that moon dust is like glass. Because there's no atmosphere, that means there's no erosion, that these little particles are actually have jagged, sharp, glass-like features and are very harmful to humans in bodysuits and equipment. Number 4, the oldest moon rocks are found on the surface, not inside. Scientists can't really explain this in nature. The only way it makes sense to us is if something was drilling or was pulled out. But yes, the oldest rocks on the moon are actually found on the surface and not inside of it. And that brings us to number 5, the age of the moon. The oldest moon rocks found on the moon are 4.5 billion years old. Scientists theorize that the moon is 4.5 billion years old. Actually, the moon rocks may be older than the Earth because the Earth is like 4.5, 4.4 billion years old. Problematic is the moon can't really come from Earth if the Earth and the moon are the same age. That's like your mom and you having the same birthday in the same year. Does not make sense, but the evidence is there. It is 4.5 billion years old. Actual theories is the moon could have been formed in days. Object could have hit Earth, then debris spewed out and was formed in the matter of days. That is a ridiculous theory. That makes no sense. They don't know how old the moon is. They don't really know where it came from, and they don't understand the size of it because this has not been documented in any other planetary orbits with moons. The fact that the moon is the size that it is and how close it is to us and how it has a locked orbit makes no sense. It makes no sense, but it's us.